All right, I'm gonna record this so that way if you need to see the recording of what we went over, then you'll have it.
I'm sorry, say that again.
I said I'm gonna record this that way if you need the recording of how we break this deal down, I can send you the link.
Okay, yeah, thanks so much. That's nice.
No worries. All right, let me get this open. This is a cash deal, right? And you don't have it under
Yeah,
contract.
cash deal. No, not yet. So like, she said in order to get it this low, it had to be cash. I was like, oh, okay, I can see what I can do.
Are they open to creative financing?
They are, but it would be like more of like a higher price.
That's okay. Yeah, you can do. All right. Well, let's look at it. Let's look at the fucking deal first. Let's see.
He was like, you really wanted cash for the most part, honestly.
All right. Oh, well, this is on market, so cash probably isn't going to work. How much did you offer them cash? 90?
90, yeah.
Yeah, this deal's not going to work. It's on market. So when a deal is on market, hold on. Let me send this to you from our YouTube channel, so it'll help. 1 second. Okay, so I will put it in the in-call chat. Should see that link pop up right there. So there's a link to the video for what I'm about to explain. But when you've got a property that's on market, every investor, even though it's a for sale by owner, every local investor that you would try and sell this deal to, they've all seen it. So think about it. How much do you want to make on the deal? 5 grand,
At
10
least
grand?
like 5 to 10, yeah, around that area.
Okay, so it's listed right now for $115,000. It's been on
Yep.
market for over a month. You're about to get it under contract for 90, and you're going to put it back on the market for 100, which means for any investor, it's only a $15,000 discount. And if it's been on market for 25 days and none of those investors have taken it, then chances are $100,000 isn't going to be low enough. The formula that we use for on-market properties, it's 60% of what it's listed for, minus rehab, minus your assignment fee. So looking at this one, I mean, yeah, the entire kitchen needs to be redone. The flooring needs to be redone. That ceiling tile is ugly, but I mean, they could leave it if they wanted to. Paint. That front door, that looks like just dirt. If that's dirt, that's fine. If that's not dirt, then that's a $180 door. That bathroom's nice. All right, keep that bathroom the same. Okay, so I think this thing needs like $25,000 worth of rehab. So if I were to go to my handy dandy calculator here. So if it's on market for $115,000, I think it needs $20,000 worth of work, and you want to make 10 grand. The most you can offer is $39,000.
Really?
Yeah, because when it's on market, you have
Oh,
to offer 60% of what it's listed for, not 60% of the ARV. What's the ARV for this one?
I got around 140.
Okay. So, I mean, even then, your price is too high. If that's the case, because this side is for off market, if I put in the same numbers for rehab, yeah, you're only able to offer 61,000. What formula did you use to calculate the price?
I did. I think my cousin, like, he was telling me about this. I don't know the formula. I kind of forgot. It
All
was
right.
like 140. It was like, damn, I want to say it was like minus rehab, which we got around like 15,000. Then we got plus our deal that we wanted to make 10. Then it was like minus point 2 or something like that. He was doing most of it, but I kind of forgot about it.
I'm gonna send you a couple of more links to some stuff. So the formula is, yeah, let me send you, I'm gonna send you a couple of these. The formula for, if let's say it was off market, well, I'll give you the formula everyone else uses. This isn't the formula my team uses because my team is, we're the fucking Spartans, so we get it for the best price. But it's ARV times 70% minus rehab minus your assessment or your assignment fee equals your max allowable offer, MAO. So even with this deal here, I mean, granted, I think mine's at 65% because that's what my team operates on. But even if it was at 70%, you're going to be at most $67,000 would be your max offer.
Okay.
So it's just it under contract for, especially the fact that it's listed, especially that it's listed like $90,000 is just too high across the board. That deal, it won't sell. Now, if you wanted to do a creative deal, you could offer them, let's say, $115,000 down. You could, that's $1 million. I don't want to do that. They wish. $115,000 purchase. Nah, fuck that. Give them $120,000. We can do 125. Nope, it needs work. Do 120. Yeah. We do $120,000 purchase price. I would do $110,000 seller finance amount. I would give them $10,000 as a down payment. Do you know what this property will rent for?
No, I didn't think about that part now.
Hold on a second. Looks like yeah, looks like about 1,200. Okay. All right. And then if I go to let me look up the taxes and the insurance real quick. Taxes are $514, and the insurance, I know it's going to be higher, but I'll do 12. Yeah. Okay, so this is $514. It's a smaller house. I'll do 1,000. I mean, yeah, you could offer them. This would be, nope, that's too much. 600. Yeah, I'll just keep it at 5. So why is your entry? Oh, because of your assignment fee. Yeah, you probably wouldn't be able to make 10 on this one. What if we
That's
did
cool. It's the first deal after all.
6? That's better. So you'd make about $5,000-6,000 on this one.
Okay.
So you would give them a purchase price of $120,000 with a down payment of $10,000, and this is the high end. Me personally, I think here would be much better. Is where you should start. I think you'd offer them $350 a month, and you give them like a 2-year balloon.
My bad. What was that last part? You said a 2-year what?
Balloon.
Balloon, as in.
Meaning, after 2 years, they'll get paid the full balance of whatever they're owed.
Okay, I see. So I would send them that breakdown.
Yeah, just let them know cash isn't gonna work.
Okay.
It's not gonna work. It's gotta be. I mean, you can let them know, hey, cash will work, but you're not gonna like the offer. And it's coming from my buyers. It's not coming from me, so don't shoot the messenger. And then you can give them the cash offers. Cash offer for you this one would be about 40 grand.
40 grand for the cash offer. Gotcha.
Or you can give them $120,000 purchase price, $10,000 down, $350 to $400 a month on a 2-year balloon.
Yeah. I'll tell them about it. I got you. Okay, I think I learned a lot from this. Thank you so much.
Not a problem, dude. Have a good rest of your day. Good luck.
Yeah, you too. I'll contact you later about it, okay?
All right, cool. See ya.
Have a good day.